Understanding Story Highlights, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in news or social media: story highlights. This phrase is often used to summarize key points of a story or an article. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it effectively. Story highlights refers to a concise summary or the most important aspects of a news story, article, or even a social media post. These highlights are designed to give you a quick overview of the main points or significant details without having to read the entire piece. It's like a sneak peek or a teaser of the main content. You can find story highlights in various places. News websites, at the beginning of news articles, offering a brief overview of the news. Social media, particularly on platforms like Instagram, where users can highlight their important stories. Television news, sometimes used at the beginning of news segments to outline the main points that will be covered. Understanding and using story highlights can be beneficial. For readers, it helps you decide if you want to delve into the full story. For content creators, it's a way to grab the audience's attention and give them a reason to engage with the full content. Let's see some examples. In a news article, story highlights. New scientific discovery could change the way we understand space. On Instagram, a user might have a highlight titled Europe Trip, showcasing the best moments of their journey. That's all about story highlights. Remember, it's a useful tool to quickly grasp the essence of a story or to entice readers into exploring more. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.